Hello friends, today we will talk about Bees cryptocurrency. It is listed on coinmarketcap.com. Its price is $0.00001 and its volume is around $5,29,000 and its blockchain is Binance Coin. It is listed one day ago. Then we will tell you about it. I will review in detail and we will tell you how to buy it and we will open Bees portfolio. So this portfolio has been opened. Its rank is 2847. Around 2185 people have added it to the watch list. Its website is beesonbsc.net and this is its price $0.00001. BTC is 10.11% down and ETH is 8.95% down, and low price is 0 and high price is $0.00001 and its blockchain is Binance Smart Chain and this is contact address. After that we will come down and this is its graph. This graph is continuously increasing and decreasing. After that we will enter $1 here and in $1 we are getting around 2.3 billion Bees coin. After that we will come down and this is its description, we can read it, and its total supply is 1000 Bee coin. After that we will open its website and click on beesonbsc.net. I have already opened this website and here it has a menu bar like charity, roadmap, tokenomics, DeFi token model, feature and contact. Welcome Bees, join our journey, decentralized and deflationary Rug-Pull Proof token by PancakeSwap, white paper, chart, BSC, Telegram and Twitter. This is contact address. Our partners PancakeSwap and BSC, Trust Wallet and Coin Market Cap and charity. Regarding charitable action, we will take the will of community into strong consideration and the problem concerning the Bee association in contact with us. We start by connecting small charities and need our help. We will choose to donate only the charity that the money will used properly, careful checking the validity of their project and evaluating the best way to help them. And this is roadmap. Q2 2021 community launch, site launch, Twitter launch and request listing for CoinMarket and CoinGecko. Q2 2021 marketing and DEV wallet, CEX listing and partnership with charities for Bees. Q3 2021 NFT marketplace and TBA. Q3 2021 TBA and Bees tokenomics. Token name is Bees and sticker symbol is BEE and total supply is 1000 trillion and token burn 20% and token reward 3%, burn transaction 4%, marketing wallet transaction 1% and DeFi token model. In order to help Bees, we have decided to organize the token a hyper deflationary model according to the following criteria: for each transaction 3% redistributed to the holder and 4% burned forever, 1% EVS public wallet for charitable action, marketing listing on important exchange. This wallet will always be available for consultation by the community in order to keep the token safe. This is contact address. Bees on the BSC future. During the first week from launching the token, we will strive to reach a very large audience through sponsorship and contest. Our goal is to be listed on CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko and then focus on paid exchange. We want to make it as easy to possible to buy Bee token. Listing on exchange and sponsorship will be virtual importance initially, which will allow our focus shift onto our charitable actions goal. The contract will not be rejected in order to able to carry out request for audits with the possibility of making changes if these are deemed necessary in order less sold foundation. Another manual burn could be possible in future following the development of our token and will of the community driven the scarcity of remaining B token. To make the token reliable we decided that once the preparation are complete we will make personal representation showing our face. We know this action is vital for token well-being and investor confidence. By end of May 2021 we aim carry out an official AMA order to be able to interact with the beating heart of our project, our community in the coming weeks. Therefore our goal will be six growth opportunities suited to our needs and possibilities, and carry out the first aid in the field for the well-being of planet. And how to buy and add purchase BNB? Go to PancakeSwap and using 7 to 15% slippage and add token. So now we will give you to tell what is the process of buying it. And we will download Trust Wallet app in our mobile phone and we will open Trust Wallet. After that we will create account on Trust Wallet. And if you do not know how to create an account on Trust Wallet, you can watch our video, link in the description. After that we will add money in the Trust Wallet and we will click on buy button and select blockchain. We will select BNB and here we can add money in our Trust Wallet and we can add minimum $50 in our Trust Wallet. After add money, go to home page and we will click on DApp section. After that we will open PancakeSwap exchange and PancakeSwap exchange has been opened. After that we will connect this exchange to Trust Wallet and click on connect and click on Trust Wallet, and this exchange connected successfully from Trust Wallet. After that we will select slippage, click on this icon and here we can add slippage according to our token. After that we will click on select a currency and here we can search coin using name or coin address. After that we will select a token. After that we will enter number of coin, here as many as we want to buy. After that click on swap and click on confirm swap and click on accept button and finally click on confirm swap. So thanks for watching.